another vlog. It's April 15, 6:44 p.m. Today, I visited my favorite affordable salon in our area. I had my brows threaded, which honestly isn't my favorite since I'm still not used to it, and got my toenails cleaned too. I usually stick to a clear polish just to keep things simple and clean. After that, I headed to my favorite local cafe for a matcha and some reading. It's one of my favorite places to unwind. I spent some time reading 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson, a book filled with practical lessons on living a meaningful and fulfilling life. It's April 18, and 3 days later, we're on our way to a resort in Montalban to celebrate my grandma's 70th birthday, my cousin's 23rd. It's just a short drive from home. So for now, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you when we get there. We finally arrived at Coco Mountain Resort in Rodriguez, Rizal. And right at the entrance, the place already looks so aesthetic and vibrant. Even the outdoor comfort room area is super cute and perfect for photos. At the reception area, we're welcomed by staff who assist us and give us wristbands for head count before payment, with PWD and senior citizen discounts available. There are also so many cute spots here: military-style 4x4 cars, a big green chair perfect for photos, and even adorable St. Bernard dogs just chilling. It's such a fun and picture-perfect place. Now, it's time to head inside. The resort provides carts. By the way, this is my Tito Balong saying hi. Inside, they also have billiards available for 100 pesos per hour, along with plenty of tables and chairs if you're coming in a small group. There are 2 pools here as well, one for kids and one for adults.
Hey guys, and good morning. Today is April 18, 2026. We are here at Coco Mountain Resort here in Montalban because we are going to celebrate my Lola's 70th and also my cousin's birthday. It's actually a 2-in-1 celebration. Pakita ko sa inyo ang Corralde family. Diyan sila guys. Papakilala ko siya sa inyo lahat. Hello! Say hi to the vlog. Ligo ka na. What's your name?
My name is Dayan.
Ha?
Dayan.
Robbie? Ito si Tito.
Hello.
Hi, Tito.
Hi.
Kapatid ni
Makulit
Mother.
to eh.
Tito, hide ka sa vlog. Hide ka sa vlog. Mike yan, Mike.
Hi.
Hi ka, be. Ano pangalan mo nga, B?
Jim.
Ayan na, Jay. Jay, ayan. Ano ginagawa mo, be?
Nag-iiyaw po.
Nag-iyaw.
Hello! Dito kami sa swimming pool. Tingin ikaw, tingin. Uy! Tingin! Tumingin.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Thank you very
How
much.
does it feel now you're already 70?
Oh, 70 na ako. Gurang na to. Kuyanin na. Wala tayong magagawa.
Masaya bang tumanda?
Hindi, ayoko.
It's a privilege, Lola, na tumanda kasi hindi lahat ng mga tao nakakaabot sa ganyang age.
Oo, sa bagay.
Diba?
Sa bagay.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Thank you.
Sheesh! Hello!
Hello po!
Hello!
Andito po kami ngayon dahil sineselebrate po ang birthday ng aming lola at saka ng aking anak na si Alpha May. Anong masasabi ng labas ang pututoy? Ay, wag! Ala. Okay. Tayo'y magpakasaya sa araw na ito.
Kumusta kayo dyan, ha? Birthday ng Mama Ning at birthday ni Pamay.
Yay!
Happy birthday to both of you.
Bewa ka mo ka, be.
Ayun, habang nagpo-push siya para may tayo. Ano sasabihin ko? Ayoko.
Nakita ko isa doon na nanahimik.
Mamaya. Kasi dito Ali, mamaya.
Happy birthday sa apakaganda mo today.
Yes! Nipis mo na. Pumayat ka nga. Oo, be. Dito
Chika
ka,
ka.
para maganda yun, ano. Yan po. Ay, ang ganda. Intervene kasi Tito at si Tita. Dahil birthday ni Lola, anong masasabi nyo?
Ha?
Anong masasabi nyo?
Tapos na yung birthday ni Lola mo.
Hindi nga natin sineselebrate.
Ano na ba?
Panira ka ni...
Siyempre, happy birthday sa nanay ko. Nay,
Yes!
pautang. Happy birthday, nanay.
Hey, happy birthday! Hi, vlog! Enjoy! Sana madaming makain. Tsaka mainom.
Ay, kala ko pagkain. Happy birthday! Ay, Ining. Alpha May, happy birthday!
Happy 70th birthday, nanay! Kung kay Tutoy pautang, ang sa akin, pamana ko. Happy birthday din, Fame!
Happy birthday, Nanay and Ate Famay. Stay healthy and pretty. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo.
Nanay, sana abutin pa ng maraming taon para makasama natin. At kay Pami naman, sana magpakabuti para maging maigi.
Happy birthday, Lola. More birthdays to come. And always stay healthy. Sana pumaldo ka pa sa scatter.
What are we going to do today?
We're gonna take a little swim.
We're gonna
And
eat.
We're gonna eat.
Bye-bye. See you later, guys, kapag mag-swimming na kami. I'll show to you guys our handa.
Yung iniihaw na chicken. Oo, tingnan mo, masarap. Sunog na nga.
Hindi naman ka tinitinda ka natin para yung mga ospak yun.
Anong oras na, Beth?
It's already 6:19, guys.
And we're going to eat here. Saan tayo?
Jollibee.
Ano kakainin natin?
Burger, spaghetti, chicken, fries, ayoko. Tsaka ice cream, meron din,
Ice cream. Tingnan niyo yung mga itsura namin, guys. Mga pagod na.
Sobrang sunburn.
Sobrang init. As in, no?
Sobra. Show your face muna, guys.
Show your faces to the camera. Yan. wala.
Sabihin mo dito.
Show mo to. Ano nangyari?
What happened?
Bakat lang yan.
Mamaya tulog na kami. Tapos hinintay na lang namin yung food and then we're good to go na. Tapos isushow ko na lang yung pagkain. Hi!
Gate na. Ang una magangatan, ang pangalan ay Ani.
5,000! Wow! Dami! Bilang! Yan! Ay, wow! Oh, mayaman si Tito. Yan o. Ay, salamat! Thank you, JM. Anaki! Sa liham!
Thank you.
Enough!
Iiyak na yan! Iiyak! Dito ko na rin siguro i-end yung vlog. Bye guys! See you next time.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Guys, see you next time.